everybody. Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Because of the audio drop on the video that I just made on the live, I'm going to have to go through this once again. So we're going to go through it once again. No problem at all. But, you know, I'm going to go ahead and take down the other video, the live that I just did. And I'll just go over the Bitcoin price right now with you guys, okay? And with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, as you can see here, looks like we're flagging again. Looks like we're flagging again. However, we are coming down. VWAP headed down. We got money flow good. We got momentum headed down. RSI, stochastic RSI heading down. This is on a 17-minute. Let's jump to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, we're oversold, as I mentioned earlier, but money flow is still green. VWAP is headed down. So it does look like we could come down. It wouldn't surprise me if we came back down, to be honest with you. So we'll see how that plays out. This is the 1 hour chart. We could be flagging here. We could come down again to here. We actually have space to come down to here, which is 30,700. We hit a high of 31,000, sorry. 30,400 and this usually shows me the high, so let me add that on here. High price, low price, and where's the volume at? Cool. High is at 31,475. 31,475 is what we hit, and then we came back down, and unfortunately, you know, we could come down, but, you know, all we have to do is stack our sats and chill. And right now we're at 31,070. But looks like we could, you know, be consolidating before our next leg up. So I do expect to see, you know, a correction and us coming down a little bit. Look at the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart just started not too long ago. So it looks like we're red right now on the 4 hour chart. Let me remove this. All right, cool. All right, cool. So it looks like we got the 4 hour red dot, green dot. So that's good. We got VWAP. Looks like it's sideways, could be headed up. And then looks like we are a little bit oversold on the 4 hour as well. So we could come down again and retest 30,000 before headed up, or we could just, you know, consolidate here and then head up. So we'll see how that plays out. This is the 4 hour time frame. And again, we are a little bit oversold. However, we have the green dot on the 4 hour time frame. So I think we are good to go long term, but we'll see how that plays out. Let's jump to the daily chart. Daily chart showing that we are not oversold yet, but we're up there. Let's see here. We do have money flow still in the red, but looks like it is starting to continuing to head up, still headed up, which is great news. We also have VWAP headed down, and then momentum is shifting up, or has been going up. So I think we're still good. We still got still got some way to go before we're completely oversold on the daily. And then I went over the weekly as well in the video, so we'll go ahead and look at that as well. I said in the video, weekly is looking amazing because look, we got this green dot here on the weekly. Boom, last time we had a green dot was in December, and then everybody knows in the middle of December, everybody knows what happened in the middle of December towards January. We went all the way up from 15,000 all the way up to, you know, 20,000, 25,000, and then we pulled back. So, you know, now we got a green dot here, VWAP heading up strongly. We have momentum headed up strongly. We have RSI headed up, and then we have stochastic RSI as well headed up. So everything is looking real good for the weekly. So long term, looking good as always. Bitcoin is great long term. And then let's see here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. Falling wedge on the weekly. Popped right out. So we're looking good, looking real bullish on Bitcoin. So just make sure you stack your stats and chill. And volume is looking good. We had the biggest volume here on Monday, March, starting to fall off a little bit, but now, with all the corporations starting to, get their ETFs approved, looks like we're starting to go up, go up, go up. So let's see how this plays out. I think we're pretty bullish long term for Bitcoin per use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this video. And with that being said, just make sure you stack your Bitcoin and chill. We could come down again, so just make sure that you are stacking away and doing the best that you can, and getting some extra fiat dollars to buy some more Bitcoin in. Oh yeah, the SEC approved the first ever leverage trading Bitcoin for the U.S. So let's go ahead and look at that before I end the video. SEC approves first leverage Bitcoin futures ETF. As we can see here, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has approved its first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. Moreover, the volatility shares offering is now the first ETF of its kind to be available in the United States and is set to begin trading on Tuesday, according to the CoinDesk report. So, leverage trading. Don't really recommend you leverage trading, but these people are probably going to be leverage trading, and they're probably going to try to short Bitcoin so Bitcoin could go down. They're probably going to try to long Bitcoin could go up. Same thing. It's just more money being pushed into the market, and I think it's going to cause more volatility, but we'll see how that goes. Either way, just stack your sats and chill. And with that being said, this is the Bitcoin price update for Friday, and today is June 23rd, 2023. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. God loves you. I love you. Make sure you check out all the links down below. Make sure you get my new book, pre-order my new book, Bitcoin Dad, Fiat Dad. Make sure you check out FOMO21.com. Make sure you head over to SwanBitcoin.com as well and get your $10 for your Bitcoin. And with that being said, you guys have a great Friday. Love you. Peace.